drag run up today to see at what point it's hitting its full speed, how long it's taken to get there. So the drag run up is actually set to 600 feet. Sorry about the wind today. Okay, so she's not changing gear. Okay, she wasn't changing gear. So we'll strip us down quickly. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Adjust this so it changes gear. Don't need to take it all the way off now. So hopefully this will do it. Enough. We'll just check her here before we put her back together. Okay, she's changing gear now. Alright, let's hope you can see this. I'm just seeing what how far down the run it's doing this at the full speed. So there's 70 and she peaks out, so she's not getting any faster. Just playing about today, gonna do a few drag runs here. Oh, it's just dusty up there, don't want the dust. Got there. She was a bit messy. Read 55, 3 seconds. Okay, that wasn't very good. Don't know if that would have been anywhere near it. She's not stopping as quick as I would like it. Read. Now way slower. Right, we'll go on to right. We'll try something else here. That's not what you wanted. That's not what you wanted. Pissed off now. I am pissed off now. But I'm actually surprised there's not very much damage other than this come off. I'll have a wee look around her here. That's straight. This is bent up. So it is. Just a bit of a wall. Needless to say, I'm pretty pissed off, but she just went. What have I got here? Damage wise. Mark there. That's gone off it. That's still on it. We'll be able to put that back on. What are you doing, Jamie? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, like. Mate, it's destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Hard work. Look at that. I'll be running this for a long time. It wasn't the wing. I just wasn't fucking looking. Absolutely destroyed. Some badly broken in there too. That's broken. Look, this will make it all better. Look, we see this. Look. Oh, look. Brand new. Excuse the French, but